In this video, I will show you how to create a VRChat avatar using AI. For the first part, we are going to generate a model with Masterpiece X, then we are going to make some adjustments and export the file in Blender, and use VRChat Creator Companion to start the project in Unity. I'm here on Masterpiece X, and I'm going to get started creating my VRChat avatar. I have selected a human shape. I'm going to create one model, and the next step is to add shape details. They have some suggestions here. I will go with a princess wearing a long dress and a winter coat. Now for the textures, I would like cartoon, dark purple dress with silver details, white fur coat. I want it beautiful, elegant, and intricate. Now for animation, the only thing I need is the bones. This will create the armature when I import to Blender and Unity. So this will take a little while, so I'm going to skip to the next part. Now it finished generating my avatar in about 5 minutes, so I'm going to click and see what it looks like. Looks good to me, not exactly what I described it, but we'll go with it. So now we click on download and save the file. We'll start importing our file in Blender to make some adjustments. So you can dismiss this first screen and delete the cube. Go to File, Import, GLTF2, and find your avatar. It's here. You don't need the camera. You can delete. And the light you can also delete. First step now will be to reduce the number of polygons. If you want your avatar to be compatible with the quest, you should make sure to have less than 10,000 polygons for good performance. So while you are in object mode, go to your mesh, click the wrench icon, add modifier, Decimate. Right now I have almost 50,000 polygons, and that means I should have only about 20% of it. So let's say 0.2. It recalculates, and now it has 9,789, which is perfect for the quest, and I click apply. At this point, it's possible that the mesh is not perfectly consistent, and you should go to modeling and try to fix any holes because they look really weird on your avatar. In particular, the face, sometimes it's quite bad to have holes in there. So let's take a closer look and see if there is anything wrong. So for example, I think I see one here. Sometimes, here, for example, you see how you can see through the neck and see the other side? So what you're going to do is select the vertices with Shift and click F. This creates a new face that fills the hole. Like right here, I also have one. I'm not going to fix all the holes for this video. I just want to show you how to do it. But it takes a little while to really carefully check everything and feel. So I fixed 2 other, that's enough for the video. Let's do the texture next. You click on texture paint, and now your avatar has color. And because it was AI generated, it may have some weird stuff that you want to fix. In this case, my avatar has an extra set of eyes on the side of the head, so let's paint over those eyes. You can select a color here. I'll get the color picker. It looks mostly good, but you can change a bit if you want. Maybe a little more saturated. Maybe a little lighter, I'm not sure. Also, the brush right now is too big for me to have control over what I'm painting. And even though I'm not going to do a good job here, I'll try to at least do something reasonable. So this works. I'll leave the strength at 100%. You can also only lighten or darken instead of really do some solid paint over, but I will leave it fixed. And just paint over what you don't like. And again, for the purposes of this video, I'm not going to try to create a masterpiece. I'm just going to get rid of the eyes for demonstration purposes. This and paint. And maybe just under the sheen a little bit to have the same color. And yeah, it looks terrible, but I'm sure if you have more talent with painting, you can do a better job. I'll say it's good enough for this. So click on image, save as, and save where you need it to be. And then you can export the file for Unity in the FBX format. So FBX. And here for path mode, you need to select copy and then click this box here that will get all the files in. And again, I'm going to export over my Winter FBX and it's ready to use in Unity. First, we create the project from the VRChat Creator Companion. So I'm going to click on Create New Project. It's an avatar project. It will be called Winter and Create Project. And then you open Project to open Unity. This is going to take a little while, so I'm going to skip in the video. Click on the next video to learn everything you need to do in Unity to finish uploading your avatar to VRChat.